everyone. This is Julie HR, and I want to loop back around with you as this past Monday, you should have listened to my HR Education Edge weekly update, and I discussed engagement surveys. And I discussed releasing one and a brand new one indeed. So let's take a look at that. This is the employee survey. And I recommend doing one, obviously, at the beginning of the year. You always need, as an HR professional, to capture the pulse of what's going on in your organization. So I wanted to share this particular survey with you I just created. Number one, as you can see, it has an employee letter. There's the actual survey. There's instructions on data and survey analysis. And there's also right here a survey tally sheet where you actually put in the number that the employee records on their form. And it allows you to do analysis on the numbers and the data to come up with, okay, this is what we need to do with regards to our organization based on our employees' thoughts and feelings from the survey. So you'll see that it is a total of 6 pages. Employee survey instructions, as mentioned. The actual employee survey, it's not that long at all. There's the data gathering information and how to go about doing that, and actually the analysis. Survey tally Excel sheet, and it's in Word, Google Docs, Excel, and Google Sheets. And here is the actual survey tally where you're actually taking the sheets that the employees fill out and you're plugging in. Did the employee put strongly disagree, neutral agree, strongly agree, and then you have the total. So it's just not a survey. It's actually allowing you to do analysis on the data. And you know what? Data drives decisions. And now at the beginning of the year, you as an HR professional need to know where your employees stand as it relates to, and let me go and find the sheet. Let me find something. Let's see if I can zoom in just a little bit. You need to know how the employee feels about their job, their team, their supervisor, and there's one more item, and it's the organization. So that is very important. As mentioned, here are the other sheets. It's just not hey, here's your employee engagement survey, figure out what you're going to do. No, it allows you to actually tally everything up, and it actually gives you information on how to go about deciding perhaps what new programs you want to put into the actual you want to incorporate into your HR structure. Here, the data gathering and survey analysis. You tally the responses, you summarize the comments, and so on. It's so good. As mentioned, here is the human resource. This is at the very end of, I'm actually on my Etsy site right now, and this is actually at the end. Don't forget about my human resource bundles, my manager toolkit, workplace safety bundle, employee performance bundle, and then the starter pack. And as mentioned, here is the employee survey. And I recommend you do this at the beginning of the year. It's a survey that you can use at different times of the year. You need to be that leader within your organization that says, hey, leadership, executive team, this is where we are. And because this is where we are, and I'm concerned about retention, and I definitely want to make it the best organization it can be that aligns with our mission, our vision, our goals, our core values. And these are the responses from the employee engagement survey. This is where we are, and this is what we're going to do. And as an HR leader, I'm going to show you how to get there. And the first step is actually announcing and giving the employee survey out to the employees so they can fill out, and you as an HR leader can take charge and make those recommendations to your leadership team. So I hope this helps. Be sure to subscribe. Every Monday you will have a YouTube video that goes over the previous week about the new weekly HR trends, the upcoming compliance dates. You don't want to miss those, and any other items that are on the horizon as far as HR goes, as far as legal, safety, and whatnot. You definitely want to be prepared, and I want to be that person to help you and be there for you. So let me know if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe and hit like, and thank you so much.